Hey guys, today we're just gonna be voicing over how Becker's videos. And by the way, this is actually my first time voiceovering a stick bear video. Okay, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, so we're just gonna be building random things. See? Whoa! Yeah, you're just gonna be building things. Boop. So, oh, good day. Geese? Good geese? What is the good geese? Where's the excavator? Ooh la la. This is cool. Ooh. Tap. What do you? Dammer. I'm gonna. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's just go, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's just go. Yeah. So you need some black over there, and so we need some yellow here. Yeah. I don't need that much detail. I am the best builder. Oh yes. Oh, I, I made a metal, boys. Okay, so we're just gonna put that there. So yeah, we're just gonna put that there, and then we need to break that block. Nah, that looks bad. Oh no, I ruined it. Why? Okay, okay. Whoa, 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 what just happened? Okay, so we're gonna show our builds. Oh, you're my excavator. Why is there a cat? Dude, what do you mean? Okay. Yeah, applause. Uh, whoa, that was cool. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Yeah, applause, applause, applause. Okay, let's go to Blue's build. Ooh la la. Nice, nice, nice. I wish I could live in this. Y'all, blow. I can't even breathe right now, bro. How did you? Yo, yo, yeah, I want. No, what are you doing? Stop! End.